Welcome back, everybody, to another book review, or in this case, media review. Today we're looking at a user manual for the Mosin-Nagant rifles, which includes M1891, M91/30, M27, M38, M39 and M44. This has been provided by Century International Arms Incorporated. They're known for being a import company of lots of different items. So feel free to research them further. And let's just get right into it. This is actually kind of in a single sheet form, which has has multiple folds to it. So let's just look at what I would call the front cover piece here. So you can see it actually includes this diagram of a complete cartridge, let's say, showing actual size, and then the case head itself and the primer size. And it says, important, read this manual first. So we go ahead and kind of open it up. Here's our safety warning. Let's go ahead and read that. It's important. Okay. It continues. Okay. And we continue here. Here's a little bit of history and technical data. I'm sorry for the stain here, but this actually had been exposed to some cosmoline, which is actually this stain material on the document. But luckily it is fairly transparent, so we can actually read right through it and see the text here. So we can also encourage you to research further into the history of the Mosin-Nagant series, or how to say, family or pattern type. How about that? Pattern type of item. So here we also have a care and cleaning statement. Hopefully you can read that. Useful information. Here's a liability statement from Century International Arms. Kind of a don't sue me bro disclaimer. Here's some contact information. So perhaps if you have a Mosin-Nagant pattern item and you don't have a manual, feel free to try to contact them to obtain your copy of the document. So that was the, let's say, the outer portion of the fold. If we open it up, look at that, more stuff. They put quite a bit of information here just on one sheet on both sides. So here we have a disassembly instructions with figure diagrams. Trying to look here carefully to see where it continues. Okay, we'll actually continue up here. Measure figures, and then it continues down here. I know sometimes taking apart the bolt mechanism can be tricky, and hopefully this might help clarify that. I also encourage you to also do your own research as well. There's plenty of other source material out there on the interwebs. Here's some loading, unloading information. Hopefully you can see that. warning. And, ooh, that looks very important. And then we have a parts list. Let's see if I can get some better light here. And a kind of a schematic diagram. This is a very small piece of paper. You can see how, well, section of the paper, let's say. A little bit of loss for words today. And our parts list continues. And this was reprinted with permission from the National Rifle Association of America. Parts can be ordered using the accompanying code numbering system. Oh, well, that's nice. I don't know if that still applies, I guess based on current supply. So I think that's all there is in here. So again, just a look at the Century International Arms Incorporated printing of the manual for the Mosin-Nagant rifle pattern. This has been another book review, media review. Feel free to check out others on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as book review, media reviews, as I just said. We also do show and tell videos on more specific items, as well as curios for the curious on more artsy type objects. Please feel free to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you next time.